Hi, I'm John Kelly, and I want to talk to you about what broken bones in a car accident claim in Phoenix are worth. These cases, when you have a broken bone, can settle for a large variety of cases. So I'll be upfront with you. I can't tell you exactly what your claim may be worth, but I can give you some good pointers to understanding how to make sure that you're doing the right things to make sure that your claim is worth more. Whether your broken bone is your arm, your leg, you broke your nose, all these have some similarities in how to approach them to make sure that they're worth more to you in the end. Because the bottom line is that you should be able to get fair compensation for going through such a traumatic situation. And I'm going to make sure that you understand a little bit more about what you to look for. Because the same injury, believe it or not, a broken femur, could be worth $10,000 or it could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that may just be a difference in how you approach your claim. What I often find is that people who have broken a bone in an injury have gone to the hospital, they've been released soon after, and from there, they may have a primary care doctor follow-up. And they may be injured for 6 months of recovery for that bone to heal, but they may not have any kind of follow-ups. And so, you know, especially I see this in like broken ribs. Those kind of claims are very traumatic broken bones that should have high value, but oftentimes the settlements aren't as high as they could be. What we do to make sure that our clients are getting the full value is to oftentimes make sure that our clients have access to the diagnostics that they need, the right doctors. And a primary care doctor is often good, but an orthopedic doctor may be even better for that injury. So if you break your arm, you may need to have an evaluation done by an orthopedic doctor. And oftentimes your primary care doctor may refer you to that type of person, but sometimes not. And if you have an orthopedic evaluation done and the orthopedic doctor has a professional opinion that you may need further surgeries, or if you had hardware placed in your arm, such as, metal, to hold the bone together while it heals, there may be a time that 6 months, a year, 3 years from now, you may have to replace that metal if it doesn't hold right, or if it just starts degrading. And what about the arthritic effects long term of your arm? Or maybe it's your leg is broken and that you now walk with a gait, because you broke your femur. Your one leg is now longer than the other. We may need to look at an expert to get you into, that's going to evaluate how that affects you the rest of your life, because we only have one chance to get your case settled, and we better understand how this broken bone is going to affect you for the rest of your life. So these are important things to look at, and I'm happy to evaluate your case if you do have a broken bone related to an auto accident. If you'd like a free consultation, please give us a call here, the Kelly Law Team, 602-283-4122.